The Maison de Trois Rivières, M3R, project is located in the forest of the Eastern Townships, Sutton Municipality. The house is built on a 5-hectare plot, where 3 rivers intersect, the main attraction that motivated the owner to choose this location as a permanent residence. The design of the house follows the client's desire to take advantage of the steep topography overlooking the intersection of the rivers. The location allows for the creation of a flat garden with beautiful views of 3 small rivers. The project consists of 3 main components: a living room, a vehicle shelter on the ground floor, and a guest area on the garden level. The entrance to the house is designed through a covered central axis, creating a balance between the carport and the steep terrain. The facade of the house is clad in red wood inspired by traditional local wooden houses, highlighting the character of the area. The interior of the house features a large front room that connects the master bedroom and the family room. The master bedroom features a meditation area with glass walls to enjoy the panoramic views. While the master bathroom offers a reflective setting with a bathtub that looks out onto the forest. The living area is designed for relaxation and interaction, with elements such as white oak furniture, polished concrete floors and wood-paneled ceilings. This area has access to a spacious terrace with views of 3 streams. The garden level includes a guest studio and massage room with access to a small terrace. A winding path winds through the steep slopes to the house, offering a close experience with 3 streams that flow year-round. This home is a refreshing abode with durable materials, blending contemporary architecture with the vernacular traditions of the Eastern Townships, creating harmony between the building and its surroundings.